let's start with the basics. Before you even think about writing your prompt, it's crucial to get your background information straight. Think of this as your research phase where you want to gather accurate and up-to-date information on your chosen topic. This is important because your prompt will be as only good as the information you put in. So what kind of research are we talking about here? Well, first off, choose the right sources. Don't just rely on general knowledge or random websites. Instead, opt for scholarly articles, reputable news sources, and official documentation. These sources will provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge about your topic. Next, look for authoritative references. These are publications or people who are recognized experts in the field related to your topic. By understanding the different perspectives and approaches these authorities bring, you'll have a more comprehensive grasp of your subject matter. Now let's talk about history. Don't overlook the importance of historical context. Understanding the evolution of your topic can provide valuable insights into its current state and future trajectory. So dig into historical records, case studies, and timelines to get a better understanding of how your topic has developed over time. Once you've gathered all this background information, it's time to step back and analyze it. Think about how this knowledge shapes and refines your understanding of your topic. This is where you might uncover new angles or questions that hadn't considered before. Your goal here is to synthesize all this information into a concise and clear summary that you can use as a foundation for your prompt. And remember, it's important to ensure that each piece of context comes from a single provider. This helps to avoid duplication and ensures that your information is as accurate and up-to-date as possible. Finally, don't forget to look for any missing data classifications. This will help you identify any gaps in your research and lead you to a more complete understanding of your topic. With a solid foundation of background information, you'll be well on your way to crafting an effective prompt. But wait, there's more. There are hidden risks and potential biases lurking around every corner. Are you ready to navigate the ethical minefield of prompt engineering? Don't miss out. Stay tuned and keep learning. In the next episode of our series, we'll delve into the world of bias and fairness. It's an issue that's often overlooked, but is crucial to address if we want to create truly ethical and responsible AI systems. So stay tuned and join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of large language models and their role in shaping the future of technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. And let us know in the comments below what you want to see in future episodes. Together, we can navigate the complexities of AI and ensure that it's used for good.